Where do you think you're going, Alan?
North Carolina.
It's only 14 degrees. Are you sure you're going to be warm enough?
Yeah.
What you going to get this time?
For a present for you.
Really? What you going to look for?
A base.
A vase?
Yeah.
Another vase?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. That'll be cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you guys be safe, you know. And hey, don't forget to look up. Super blood moon tonight.
Yeah.
It's going to look cool.
Yeah.
All right. Have fun and be safe.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, Alan, what time is it?
Dance time. Here we go.
Here we go. Let's do this thing.
Do this thing.
Give us a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Oh, sicky.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we made it to Aldi's. We found some cookies and some vanilla wafers. But we're going to make a few stops tonight. We're going to go to Big Lots area. We're going to go to Aldi's. But right now, we're just going to grab these few things and then we're going to head to our next stops. Here, dude. Oh, you got the tote over there. Okay. I thought there was something in here too. I don't know. We're gonna make a few stops tonight. We just wanted to show you guys a little bit of footage here and stuff that we found. Oh, I see some cheese too. Oh, more vanilla wafers. Oh, cheese slices still in the packages. They got a little sour or cottage cheese on them, but they'll still be all right. They're individually wrapped. Cottage cheese. Is it busted? Well, that one's not busted. It's not busted. It just got cottage cheese on it from one of the other ones. Yeah, it's not busted. Okay. And there's some, yeah, those are moldy strawberries. There's some peanuts, deluxe mixed nuts.
What?
More vanilla wafers in the packages still. What? What? I didn't see anything over there, dude. There's, wait, what's this box? Nothing. The mushrooms are not looking so good. What? Oh, that package over there?
Nope.
What? What's wrong with that?
What would that be?
Well, there's a jar of jalapenos there. And these are brioche. Those are good. Yeah, we'll put them in the thing. We got some hot jalapeno slices. Oh, look. There's more of those drink things that we got from here last time. Oh, well, there's one of them. It's a grapefruit. And there's some garlic and herb tilapia. Mom probably like that. Yeah, mushrooms are not looking so good. Oh, there's some cupcakes. Looks like lots of snacks. Lots of snack stuff. Whoop. More vanilla wafers. Holy moly. We're gonna have to find some people who like vanilla wafers. I'm sure there's people at the church that like them. There's some cream cheese. potatoes. Yep, I think that's about it, guys. We'll see you at the next stop. Okay, guys, we made it to Big Lots. We just seen a couple other, me and Alan just seen a couple other dumpster divers that came through here. And they were checking the dumpsters, so we turned around and hurried up to get back to this one. Because I didn't really know who it was. I thought it might have been, I don't know. I thought it could have been security or somebody, well, some kind of a law vehicle or something, but luckily we did, because we found a couple nice totes here. I'm not sure what else is in here, but this one's a really big one. I don't know what we could put in it. Use it for some storage. Store something in it. So it's really big. It's got all the bottom is cracked a little bit. Yeah, I don't know about that one. It's cracked pretty good. That other one wasn't though. That smaller one. Yeah, I know. I just moving it now just to see. I don't see anything else. Yeah, I didn't see those guys pull anything out, so we'll probably still check those other ones. They were down that way, checking all those down there. I seen them stopping. I didn't know if they were cops or security or what, so we just drove past this one. And then when I seen them stop and checking them, I turned around and came back to this one. Alright, let's head down to the next one, dude.
Hi, I found the balloon from the Valentine's Day.
He wants to give Mom the I love you balloon. He was so excited that we found it.
Yeah.
At the Dollar Tree.
Box.
He's so happy.
Oh, man.
I didn't really see anything else here. I'm still looking, but he's excited about the balloon. He loves to give his mama balloons. Yeah, I've looked through here and I don't see anything else.
I'm so happy.
You're so happy?
Mom and Mom's balloon, punk.
It's Mom's balloon, punk.
How do you find it?
It was in the dumpster.
Who put it away?
Dollar Tree. It's a good idea. You give it to Mom.
The present or a gift?
And give it to her early.
Yep.
Alright, we're gonna go down to the next stop. Okay guys, we just checked Staples. Now oh, what's this? Let's check Staples over there. Wonder if that works. It's a Ventura. Well, if it doesn't, I can always scrap it out.
Definitely.
It's a monitor thing. Is it a monitor or oh, this is this looks like Dollar Tree stuff. I thought this was a different place. Well, this is all empty stuff. Well, there's something in here. I don't know what, but there is a lot of trash in it. I'm gonna put my glove back on. All the labels off of which really sucks. You can't really return them without the labels. Something in here that's heavy. Oh, there's some glass. There's some scrap. There's scrap in here. Oh, that's plastic. Rubber. Some more scrappity scrap. Alrighty then. Oh, the bottom came right out of that stupid bag. Oh, some copper and some brass. Yep. Move on down the road. Okay, guys, we made it to CVS. Found a couple of these chairs that I can scrap out.
What?
Couple chairs to scrap.
Why?
Because there's, I don't know. I don't think we can use them. I don't know where we can put them. I gotta get my thing. I was hoping there was gonna be some goodies in here, but only thing I see is these chairs. Here's the hook.
Got you scrap?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. Because we don't have anywhere to use them. Unless we know somebody that can use them. But I don't know of anybody right offhand. Yeah, I don't know anybody right offhand that needs them. Alright. Okay, guys, made it to Family Dollar. There's some Lunchables in the dumpster.
Don't.
See? Lunchables. What's that? There's another one. I would go in, but we're in a pretty lit up area. I just want to grab them and... Oh, that was a whole case. They threw a whole case out. Oh, jeez. Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to try and put them back in the box. I poked a hole in that one. Oh well. Testing out my skills. See how good I can do this. Put them back in the box. Alright, we got that. Here it comes. Oh, I dropped a couple. Oh, crap. Thought I had them. I had them, but a couple of them fell out. Guess my skills need to be polished. I got this crap in my way. Sorry about that. It would have probably been quicker just to get in, but was that full? Is that full? Or is it empty?
It's full.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's still sealed? No, it's empty. Here. There you go. And I think this is the last one. Grab it. Alright, I think I don't see any more, guys. I think that's it. This thing is like busted or something. Okay guys, made it to the thrift store. Found some more blankets. I think they can be cleaned up. This is a pretty nice one right here. Looks really warm. Here, put that in the truck, dude. Yeah, in the truck. That's our truck. Well, I don't see that one in the back there looks stained, but this one right there I think is good. I'll grab the grabber and get that one. The one in the, I think it might have rips in it or something. It's too cold. Why you gotta go hide, man? Why are you hiding from the cold? I know it's cold. It's probably like, I know it's probably like 15 degrees out. It's like 15 degrees, guys. I can't blame him for being cold. He wants to sit in the truck because it's freezing his buns off. But trying to get some goodies. That looks like a nice rug right there. I ain't got nobody to hand stuff to. You're trying to climb in the truck, dude. Oh, that's a yeah, that is a that's one of the ones you can hang on the wall. It's kind of nice. Got moose on it. And some sheets, some placemats. Dude, I'm gonna have to throw this stuff on the ground because I ain't got nobody to hand it to. There's a fitted sheet. Looks like a queen or a king or a queen. Watch this. Hey, Alan. I found a lamp. Alan. I found a lamp. He loves lamps.
Lamp?
Yeah. I found a lamp. You just had to put a shade on it. There's a lamp right there.
It's mine?
I don't care. If you're gonna, you gotta help me a little bit here. You gotta grab some goodies, cause I don't want to throw this stuff on the ground. That's, I don't know what that was. This is covered thing. Oh, that's kind of nice. My wife might like that. I don't know. Here's another one, dude. Catch. Good catch. We won't be here too long because it is cold out here. There's a duffel bag. That might be a yard sale thing. I don't know. This, you never know if these are if there's a recall or something on them. And I don't have time to check right now. There's a recall. Could be. That's ripped. Here's some curtain things. We don't really need those. Well, some more sheets, dude. Oh, and more of those matching. These are the matching placemats. Here we go. And a tablecloth. These ones only have 2. I don't see nothing underneath it. I can't believe how fast this thrift store throws stuff away quick. Thanks, dude. Like, we just were here the other day, and they already got rid of one load, and they got all that stuff in there already. Okay, guys, we decided to stop at our last stop was going to be Dollar General. Just opened this dumpster, and we haven't been doing so good tonight, but now looks like we hit the mother load. Holy moly, look at all that ranch and all them Snickers bars. Alan's excited. He's so excited that he just can't hide it. Look at all this stuff. Holy moly. Look at all this. All this candy. Okay, guys. Had to do a fresh battery change. My battery died on me. Can't believe all this stuff they're throwing out. That's a lot of food, man. Really? They're like wasting all this food. Here's a box, dude. And pass that to Alan so I can grab some more goodies. All this food. That's craziness. Look at that. There's coffee. I even found some coffee for Mom. There's some Hormel, but that's probably no good. It's all frozen. These are dull. Those would probably be alright once they thaw. Well, no. Yeah, there might be one in there. 1 or 2 might be good. Oh, that cookies is no good. It's busted. Holy moly. We hit the cookie jackpot, dude. We hit the cookie mother load. That one, I don't know. It could be frozen. I don't know if I want to take any frozen cans. Because it is 15 degrees out here right now. And those are open. Well, that's not frozen. I can hear it. So maybe they're okay. I don't know. They must have just thrown them out. Probably just before they went home. Holy moly. Yeah, that's not frozen. Look at all that junk. All that junk food, they just threw it away. I'm gonna go in because I can't hardly reach anymore.
Look at all this.
And the reason I'm kind of breathing like this, guys, is because of the cold. It's so cold, it makes it kind of hard to breathe. Yeah, those are individual wraps, so those are alright. Alan's excited because we found lots of snacks. He loves the snacks. And we got cereal. And more snacks. And more snacks. Jeez, oh Pete's. That's the tote that we got from Big Lots. Yeah. Oh, there's punch in here too, dude.
Yay! Punch time!
Punch time. Alan's ready to party all night, he said.
Yeah.
Cause it's the weekend.
It's the weekend.
He wants to party with his daddy. Well, yeah, I don't think those were open. There's none missing. I thought they were first. There's some more coffee. Pike Place Starbucks coffee and moon pies. I don't really care for moon pies.
Pretty?
We can delete them. What? Are you so excited? Look, look at his face. He's so excited about this punch. Because we got all this punch. He's a happy camper. Wow. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to use all this stuff. Definitely gonna share the love. Holy moly, that's. Oh, I know we needed mayo though. We were all out of mayo. We haven't bought any in a while. Not sure if that kind is any good, but oh, these are individually wrapped too, dude. So those are okay. And those are not frozen, so this is probably fine. And this is probably this tote, dude. Take that tote and put it in the truck. And turn, or get me, I don't know, do we have another tote in there or no? Thought we did. Huh?
Thought it did.
Don't we have one?
No.
Isn't there room? Is there room in that other one that's in there? Got a little bit more stuff in here. And this thing is overflowing. Oh, come on. Just grab the one that has room in it. What?
My hand's frozen.
Why don't you wear your gloves?
I don't know.
My hands are cold too. I got my gloves on. Oh, the bags. Hand me one of those bags from behind the seat. Got some Five Below bags in there. Jeez, oh Pete. All this candy. It's behind the seat, dude. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright. Probably just one or two that should be. I think that would be enough to get what's in here. Because I thought these would be frozen, but they must have just tossed them in here before they went home. They closed at 10 o'clock and it's like It's like 12 o'clock right now. I thought he... Oh boy. I thought he already had the... bags. Oh, brother. Oh. That one kind of smells like...
Don't work.
Yeah. That one there smells like soap or something. What's this? Oats? Overnight oats. Alright, let's do it quick, guys. It's cold out here. Me and Alan's getting cold. He forgot to have his gloves on when he was out here the first time. I mean, he has them with him, but he forgot because he got so excited about all the goodies that we found. But he's got them on now. Holy moly. Oh, these are open. Those are open. Combos. Lots and lots and lots and lots of cookies and snacks. I think that's it, unless there's something buried down in here. I mean, we found a lot, so that's fertilizer stuff. Well, this has got ice on. Or no, this doesn't have ice on. I thought it did. One of them did. I think that's. Oh, there's some Trex mix. Wow, they really did some cleaning stuff out there, I think. Yeah. I don't see anything over there, but. Alright, there's that one, dude. Alright, guys, we just wanted to share our video with you. Anybody watching, don't forget to like, share. And if you're not a subscriber, if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. And me and Alan, we will see you guys in the next video. Alan,
What?
come here and say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Give them thumbs up.
Have a good night.
Have a good night, guys.
See you next time.
Love you guys. Bye.